Okay, let's start this one. Okay, hello everyone. So this is the next episode of the remaking my first game. Today I'm gonna do this with my brother. He's an absolute beginner when it comes to game development, but he's gonna start a university about game development next year. So he's just here to learn.
Hello, everyone. I'm a complete idiot. There's going to be stupid questions. Well, hopefully there's no such thing as stupid questions, but I believe there is. In this case, there will be some. But yeah, well, I'll do my best.
So yeah, it's not gonna be easy because I just completely rethink my whole game. So I'm gonna rework it from the ground, and we are gonna use some slightly difficult things like probability lists and iterating through it for each. So yeah, let's get started with it. Okay, so the whole idea is now I'm gonna get rid of these. So there's gonna be 2 points here and here where the player comes in.
2 dots, 2 what? Sorry.
Yeah, two
buttons.
no buttons,
Yeah.
two empty object.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna create one. So player what should I call it? Player just, I'm not sure it's spelled like that or whatever. And this is gonna be enemy. Okay, so reset both of the transform, and the player is gonna arrive here, about here. We will fine tune it later, and the enemy to here. And we are gonna play an animation. So the main idea is we're gonna have a list of 5, which is gonna be randomly generated for the enemy, and I'm gonna spawn and move 5 enemy, and it's like a small memory game. So you know the 5 opponent, and you're gonna have like 5 seconds to respond to it. And if you get the correct order, then the animation is gonna play. You know, like the rock hits the scissors and then damages the enemy. Or if you fail to do that, then your health point gonna be reduced.
Fair play. Okay. That's actually a good idea. I like that.
Okay, so the player spawner is gonna move slightly like that, and we won't need any of these trigger areas anymore.
The player spawner, why is it like out the frame or what's happening?
So this is the whole so this is the whole screen. So this is what we see.
Yeah.
So if I move it slightly in there.
Yeah, it's gonna be there.
Yeah.
So the player spawner is gonna be out of the frame.
Yeah, just like the enemy spawner.
Just the spawner, yeah, the enemy one.
And it should be the same, like 14, and this is gonna be minus 14 then. Mm-hmm. So I don't need to use 2 okay.
Hello again.
So we are not gonna use 2 speeds.
Oh, okay.
So basically the players and the enemy's speed gonna be the same. Okay, and we are going to move the player and the enemy towards these 2 points.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't think I'm gonna need either of these. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use a dummy prefab. And on this one, okay, so just this just a dummy prefab. So there's going to be a new script where object mover. Okay. So here I'm just going to need a reference for that point. So transform is going to be better. Destination point, and now the destination point.
What's gonna happen to it? I'm so intrigued now.
So when I spawn it,
yes,
it's just gonna move towards that point.
Okay.
So that's what I want to do. The problem is I'm gonna need that as a point and just a little hop. Rotate and okay. So free dot move towards, and this is so the current is transform that position. So this is basically where we are. Next one is the
target. No.
Target.
Current vector feed target.
Yeah. So that's gonna be the
point
destination point.
Yeah.
Position. Times. Okay. Oh, yeah. And
max distance delta.
That's gonna be the. Well, I need a speed variable. Serialize field.
Okay.
Not sure it's gonna work, but we'll see. Yep. And it stops. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, I just disabled the spawner.
Yeah. The enemy one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So now if that works, so right now it doesn't really matter if it's an enemy or a player, because we can. Yeah. So if I have this one as an enemy here, then the only thing I need to do is just use the enemy destination in the destination point, and when I play it, it's just gonna move there.
So you don't have to rewrite the code basically.
Yeah.
It just works there as well.
Okay, so that was the easy part.
So now you're gonna need some random ones appear from here and there, or what is?
Yeah, so the idea is there's gonna be another canvas, so like a UI, and it's gonna pop up here, and you know, like a slot machine, just it just generates rock, paper, scissors,
Yeah.
etc. And then it's gonna disappear in 5 seconds, and then you have to do your own order. So like rock, paper, scissors again.
Yeah.
And 5 seconds later, the whole game is gonna just play out. So it runs automatically, right? Like an auto chess.
What's that, sorry?
Like an auto chess, like League of Legends.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this is gonna be the harder.
Slot machine, League of Legends. That's pretty much all I know.
So we just need to rework this
I
one.
don't do slot machine though. I just watch it.
I think I'm gonna need private. I think no. We'll see. So right now, private list. This is gonna be a game object list, and call it okay, new list object. Okay. So right now I just basically initialize the new list. I created a list.
Yeah. So what happens here is they just before the game starts spawn a loop. What is the spawn? So it just like comes and
So basically we are gonna rework it. So right now I'm just gonna create a new variable again. Serialize field private int number of rounds. And right now equals 5. So in this loop right now we are instantiating and blah blah blah, but now we are not gonna do that. We are gonna run this one once, and I think we are gonna use a for loop, not a while.
it runs only once.
No, it's gonna run the amount of times we have a round. So it's gonna run 5 times.
Okay.
I think I need it for 4 because it starts at 0. So this one is gonna be the number of rounds and I plus plus, yeah. And now we are gonna do this one. So generate a number.
Yeah.
Here. And we're probably not gonna do that here anymore. So we're gonna generate a number. Oh yeah. and every time we are gonna add one to the list. So enemy order dot add and this is gonna be enemy objects at I. No, generated number. Sorry.
Not I.
No, I. Because then it's gonna just go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
So we just need a random bit from this array. So in the array, there's 3 objects: rock, the paper, and scissors. So we are gonna generate a number between that.
1, 2, and 3.
Yep. And then I'm just gonna add it to the list what we have. And after that,
the list. Sorry, what list?
this one, the enemy order. So this is gonna create 4 random objects.
Oh, okay, fair play.
And that's what we are gonna play.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now I'm just gonna comment it out because I'm not sure it works. Okay, and I think I can print it out. I'm not sure it works.
Oh, they're just a console, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's. I don't know.
Count. Plus enemy or dot array. Oh, capacity contains. Nope. No, it's not gonna work. Okay, just the count. I mean, if it's gonna be 5. Yeah. Spawn speed, it's not gonna be needed here. 0.01. Okay, so console, wait and play. Oh no, the spawner is not active, so okay. 4. There's 4 items in it. It should be 5. So 5. Where's it 4? Let's see now. Oh, because I'm an idiot. 5. Yeah, 5. Okay. No.
Did you change that? Sorry, I didn't see it.
No magic numbers. Okay. This way I can only set it in the inspector and not the. Okay. So now I don't need this one here. I'm gonna need it here. Wait 4 seconds, and this is gonna be 5 seconds for now. I'm just gonna create a variable for it. So private. I think integer is gonna be. Let's go with float. Time before time of showing order. Okay. So this is gonna be like 5 seconds. And after that, I'm just gonna print out started. So right now, if I start this one, it should wait. Yeah, it should wait 5 seconds. So 5 and not working. Oh, because it's a bit for new.
Because it's new. What would you say?
No. This one doesn't even need to be. It doesn't even need to be a IE numerator. So extract method, and this is gonna be where is it? Okay, so well, I just want to name it like @toList or generate order. Let me order. Okay. So this one should be called here. Generate enemy order. And this one, I don't need it right now. Well, I will need it, but not right now. Okay. I think it should work the same.
Don't you miss the
yeah,
the
I
dot
did.
thing? Actually, I might not be completely useless here.
Oh. I crashed it.
Oh no. Oh no.
Unity editor. Okay. So again, let's see if it does what it needs to. Yeah, number 5. Okay. There's a few ways to start it.
What's the plan now?
So right now I just need a I need the spawner. So just like before, I need this coroutine. I I want it to delay by amount of seconds. So wait 4 seconds. Time of showing order. I think this should work. I'm not sure. Print, not print, debug. Waited 5 seconds. It doesn't matter right now, and this one's gonna be called here.
Yes, it generates a number first and all that thing, and then starts.
Yep. Yeah. Okay, clear it, and let's start. Nope, it instantly starts because I have no idea.
And is the debug okay on the second row? The spawner loop, or no?
Yeah,
That's-
it should
that's
be
fine.
okay.
Is that 0.1 second or?
That's just a magic number right now because this is where I'm delaying it.
Okay.
Let's Google it. Yeah, I guess I should do that. So private void spawner loop. It doesn't need this one or this one, and this one's gonna be. I hate invoke because I have to use string to start the function, and it's really easy to misspell it. Time of showing order. Let's see. This one should work.
Invoke.
So we generated 5. 5 seconds later, waited 5 seconds. Okay.
So why is it this invoke again? Sorry. So.
It's the same, well, similar.
What you tried to do before.
The invoke is just calling this function. That's it.
The spawner loop, and then you have to type it in yourself.
Yeah. So before that, I used coroutines. So that one didn't need it. So that one doesn't use strings. That uses hard normal references. So yeah.
Okay. I could not remake this code myself for sure, but I kind of understand what's going on. I think more or less. But there's going to be a new video coming out soon, isn't it? When you explain these things.
Well, not these ones, but
yeah,
not yet. Similar. Okay, so now what we need to do is just call IEnumerator. So see the problem now. I just gonna rename it to wait. So I renamed it, but it's still gonna call spawner loop. So I manually have to redo that. And in the other one, I don't need to do that. It's just gonna do that by itself. Right. Come on. Right. And it's gonna be. Okay. The new rate seconds. Right now. Oh, that's going to be the spawn speed. So I'm going to need this one. Spawn speed. Okay. And object mover. Just forgot. So when we get there, so if the
Okay.
if statements.
Oh wait. So what are you gonna do here? So what is the goal?
Right now, I just want to trigger something. So when this reaches the destination point,
Yes.
when it's less than, let's say, 0.01 meter, then I just want to trigger an animation.
Okay.
So when it's less than that, then distance I don't know how to spell it. Equals vector 3 vector 2 dot distance, and this is just between the transform dot position and the other vector is the destination point dot position. So if distance from destination less than 0.01 f. Right now it's just a magic number, but I could do matf dot epsilon. This is the smallest number. Then debug. So debug.log reached. Okay, so let's try it, but without. I don't know how to spell it. So
Yay, we got it now.
Where did I use it?
That's good.
Destination point. And
Why are you changing it now? It doesn't matter.
it does. Destination. Okay.
Still one more.
Where?
No, you got it. You got it.
Renamed everything.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see if it worked. Assigned. Okay. So dummy parts. Destination. One more. Place and enemy destination.
Yay. And
Okay. So there's actually one issue with it. When it does happen, then it's just gonna keep working with it. So as you've seen it just called it 352 times. And what I need is just reach it once, and that's it. So what I can do is private bool is true or false.
Oh, right. Okay.
Destination. Okay, and reach destination equals false. So originally
it's false.
It's false because we haven't.
And then if true, then
so and where is the and not is a G. Not reached destination. So the first thing is reach destination equals true. So it won't run again, and let's see if it works. Entirely sure. Yeah,
fine.
Yeah, that's fine because 1 and 2.
Oh, right.
So it's two different
fine,
objects.
Yeah.
Okay, and now just what we want is trigger animation. So let's just redo that later. Okay.
We do that later.
Yeah.
The animation.
Yeah. So let's do the list. Oh, let's do the spawning. So, while.
Why is this IE numerator again? Sorry.
So when I call it, it's just gonna run once, but you can delay it. But if you write a loop in there, so like a while loop, so while it's true, and I set this inside, then it's just gonna loop forever.
Yeah.
But it's gonna between each loop there's gonna be this delay, so it's not gonna so like in the updates it would run every frame, so like 300 times a second.
Yeah.
But here it's just gonna run once every 1 second right now.
Yeah. Okay.
So you can time spawning. You don't want 300 objects right away. And yeah. Okay, and
You're gonna make it hard somehow, no?
sorry?
You have to make the game hard somehow, no?
Yeah.
Just
Yes, and later on I can modify the
1,000.
speed, the everything basically. So instantiate. But I'm not gonna use a while loop. I'm gonna use a for loop. And yep. And the length. For loop or for each.
5. Come on.
Yeah, but it needs to be scalable. So if I do for each, then the var var is gonna be game object. The item. The item is gonna be spawned object, and the call action is gonna be the list. So enemy order. So I'm gonna wait the amount, and here instantiate what I'm gonna instantiate, I'm gonna instantiate the spawned object at oh, this is the spawner, so transform the position and quaternion identity. The quaternion identity is the rotation. So
okay.
I'm doing now.
Hell, boy. Oh my God.
And I guess it's not gonna work. Oh, that. Yes, it works. Okay, so right now.
I'll be honest, I don't understand that one. Unfortunately.
Oh, random. Unity dot. No. How can I do that? Let's use this one. Okay, not that one. And system.random. What the hell, it did worked before. Let's see. It says the engine. Okay. Okay. So it does it, and then I'm just gonna spawn. Nope. That's entirely. Start call routine. This one here, like that.
Start routine.
Nope. Okay. I guess you can do that, but I'm just not sure how. So let's try this one. Oh, and each instantiation I need to order dot remove spawned object. Right now, I'm just gonna comment it out. Okay, let's see. Yeah, and it does spawns 5, but the problem is, well, it's not a problem actually. Just gonna remove this script and add object mover, and there is gonna be a problem here.
Object mover.
So right now I don't know. So because it's a prefab, every time I instantiate, so I create one,
Yeah.
it won't be aware of the enemy destination or player destination.
That's why.
Because when I have this one here,
Yeah.
I manually do that. But when
So
I
you just like-
instantiate just that one,
Yeah.
it's going to be a none.
Mhm.
So what we can do is find this one and I'm not really like using tags. Like I could use HyperScript, but right now I don't really care about it. I'm gonna refactor it later on. So let me just destination and
That's enough.
player
Dest.
and this is extremely important because right now we are gonna referencing strings again.
Yes. I
So
was just thinking that actually. I'm getting there.
I mean, I could do a HyperScript like player test hyper and on this one enemy test hyper, create it, and it's basically gonna be an empty script. And same with the player HyperScript. And now in the spawner, and I won't use any strings, so I'm just gonna remove these tags. No, it's using. So untagged, untagged, and just gonna remove it. Okay. And at the start, I could which one is it? Oh, not this one, object mover. So here at the start, destination point equals find object of type. This is going to be the enemy destination hyper dot transform position, and not just a transform. Not sure if it's gonna work. Let's see. So nope. Oh yeah, it does. Oh yeah, I just put it on one. Prefabs dummy. Oh no, I did it. Oh, dummy rock. Okay, it's not working. Okay, find object of type. Fine.
All right. All right. Fine then.
Okay. Destination. So this one. Nope. Okay. Find object with objects with tag. Oh.
By tag, maybe? No.
Oh, they deprecated it. Find objects. Of tag. Oh, they deprecated it.
I don't really know what that word means, but probably. Deprecate. Deprecate. Find with tag.
Okay. Find with game object. Then it's going to be a game object. No. Object with tag. And this is an enemy destination. Dot transform. Okay, that's it. Why doesn't it have the okay. Okay. I found it.
What happened?
Speed equals 0.
Ah.
Yep. And it stops there. Okay. So right now, if I delete this one and this one,
Oh no.
it
Oh
works.
yeah, it works.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Just one thing I want to check is spawner private. I just want to see. Oh, actually, I don't need to do that. I think. So there's something called debug mode. So enemy order. Let's see the list. So okay, it has the list. When I spawn it, it should just remove it. And it doesn't.
Oh.
No problem.
No problem.
No
Hey,
problem. So Oh, of course it doesn't do that. Get that. Oh yeah, and it does remove. Oh no.
Remove one
just-
though, no?
Yeah. Okay, then we are gonna do it outside the for each. And we just simply clear the home. Enemy order dot clear. Let's see now.
Just gonna delete them all at once.
Yeah, I just want to keep the list clear. So when I do it again,
It's gonna be empty.
yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and empty. Okay. Awesome. Okay, it works.
Yay.
Okay, and just clear it slightly. So, this is called hide inspector header.
G Bruce, hi there. Hello there.
Hello.
Spawnable.
You just get here to the end.
Oh shit. Sorry about that.
Okay. And this one's gonna be do it for 4 or 5 years now. 4 years, I think.
Not me though. This is my second day, I would say.
Oh yeah, my brother is about to start game development at university, so he's just here to learn.
get at least some kind of idea before I jump in with both feet, I guess. It should be fun. I'll be okay. Cheers, man.
Okay, so this one, spawn speed is explains itself. The others are explaining
I'm
itself.
doing a coding boot camp and you're all doing this. Kind of listening to you. That's good, man. Well, it's a bit like ASMR. Me and Tommy today, I guess, but happy you're here.
Oh yeah, multi streaming. So there's a chat for Twitch and also one for YouTube.
Until you get banned.
No, I won't. Twitch allows it now.
Oh shit, okay.
I just haven't had time to do the merge chat. So I could show it on screen, but I haven't had time to do that yet. Okay, so I think this one works pretty well.
It really is like ASMR. Oh, bless you.
Okay, it does work.
Was that all what it was for today then? Or
That was my
the goal?
this was my goal to
okay.
spawn the enemies, do the lists.
And what is going to happen on Sunday then? Like, what's the next step?
The next step is do the same with the player, but that's going to be slightly difficult because we are going to have the input So I'm still gonna use a list. Well, I'm not sure I'm gonna use a list because I think I should use an array because I can fix the array's length.
Yeah, that doesn't say too much.
So if I just press it multiple times, then it just won't keep filling it up. I think I can define the list's length as well. So we'll see. I mean,
someday it is, I guess.
Yeah.
Alright, I really should get to work, to be fair, because
yeah,
I'm a little bit late. Not too late, but.
So yeah.
What time you coming, baby? Oh yeah. Yeah, I gotta be there now.
Okay. So yeah, this was it for today, and see you on Sunday. Bye.
Bye.